Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. Ooh, a dog is trying to hop up in our lap. I hope y'all are doing okay. Jump up, little doggies, and say hello. So we are excited. We are going to show you some really cool hair extension pieces today.
Well, not just hair extensions. So the company's name is hotbanana, and they're on Amazon. But they do carry extensions, but they also carry eyelashes.
Eyelashes, halo pieces. I'm really excited. So, for me personally, like, I have really long hair, but of course, my hair, that's all in one area. It's very thin, so I'm using these for more like volumizing, which I know some people, they even have less hair than I do, so it's perfect for that. Many different options how they come in. They have the regular clip-ins, they have the seamless clip-ins, which are new.
Their new products.
New launch, and they also have the halo extensions as well, and so they have a variety of colors to best match up your hair. So I'm really excited to show you guys these things. Of course, it's going to add some length.
I got two different lengths. I got a 14 and a 16. So one's going to add just more volume, more hair, more thickness, and the other one's going to add a little bit of length as well. So I'm excited.
And I think mine's going to add a little color too, because I do have a little blonde up in the front, but if you're like me and you only get half done, I'm a halfer. I think a lot of people are halfers. Anyways, and I leave it dark underneath, so I'm really excited to see like a little more brightness and stuff like this. You know, I matched up with more like my blonde, so I'm really excited about that. And we're gonna put them in and show y'all.
Yeah, let's show off the the eyelashes first, and then we'll try on some of the hair. So they have their 3D Mink eyelashes, and they come in singles, and they also come in a 4-pack for you.
Ooh.
They are super like fluttery. They're lush lashes.
Very. And they come with little tweezers to put them on, which is really nice, especially if you have long nails. I know it's a little harder to put them on. I'm not wearing any eyelashes right now, but I am an eyelash wearer. I love them so much. Look at how thick those are.
They are lush. They are going to make a statement. And I love the glittery packaging.
The pink in the background is really cute. And they're a little bit different. It's kind of hard to see, but these are kind of like a short, long. And of course, there's some with like a more full right here. So you can kind of see the short, long. So they have a little bit of different. But yeah, so they are mink, so they're going to look real and feel soft. I can't wait to try them on. I think that'll be very glamorous. Woo, a glamorous look. New year, new you. Get you some lashes, get you some new hair. Girl, you're ready to go. You got places to go. You better go somewhere with all this on. Treat yourself. All right, guys, and let's show the hair. Well, you want to show your hair extension?
Okay. I mean, these, okay, so they're pretty much the same color. So these are the clip-ins, and the clip-ins I got the 16-inch, but you can see maybe that the hair has a little bit of highlighting to it. So it's kind of going to give me like a balayage look for this one. And then for my halo, it is just like a chocolate brown. That's what my hair is. It's a chocolate.
And it matches.
And it matches perfectly. And it's going to look so good on. I just know it.
So let me show y'all mine. And I want to say this is the halo. Let me try not to take it out of its netting yet till I put it on. So you can see mine is a balayage. So it has the brown like it has up here. And then of course the blonde, you can see how really nice that matches. My blonde matches like really good actually. So I like that they have options for us who don't have one solid hair color. I know she doesn't color her hair, but I do. So I really like how they had options for that. Mine's still in the netting for that one. And I'm just going to show you, it comes with a little halo piece in this little Ziploc bag right here so you can see. Let me take it out to kind of show y'all. It comes with the invisible wire. Oops.
And you literally wear it like a headband.
That. And it also comes with your 2 clips right here. I'm trying to be really gentle. You want to be gentle with this little piece right here.
It's like a clear elastic.
Oh, yep. So you have the little parts like this, and we're going to put it on for you to show you how it goes on. But of course, when you put that on, you're not going to be able to see that clear part right there. And then I'll go ahead and show y'all my, ta-da, this little box. So these are the clip-ins. Oops. Ah, is that more eyelashes?
More eyelashes.
It came in my box. So yeah, that's cool.
I actually have some in mine too.
Oh, mine just like fell out. Actually, I think those are a different kind of eyelashes too. So let me show y'all this. So this one's a little bit darker of a color. It's a little bit different, but it still matches my hair very well. So these are the clip-in ones, and they have the clips on there already. So this, again, matches my hair pretty well. It has the blonde with the brown highlighting. So guys, we are going to put more eyelashes. More eyelashes. So we're gonna try these on for y'all and come back when we have them in our hair, in our head.
Yep. We'll be back soon, guys.
Okay, I have my halo in now. This is the halo. So if I come up really close, you can barely see that band. You might not even be able to see it. It's like tucked in my hair right now. It does clip on the side, so it feels secure. I did move mine to adjust my head, so just like a wig or anything with a weft, I moved over the clip so it could fit to my head more properly and stand secure. I do have the 20-inch on right now, and I literally, my hair has, it feels like 2 of my normal hair densities, so it's really thick. And this is actually my first time putting on a halo. Here's the back. And again, in the front, you can see my hair is a lot thicker now.
Okay, so I have the 14-inch halo in, and as you can see, it doesn't add much length, but it adds so much freaking like a volume and density. It is 70 grams of hair, but it just adds so much thickness. It gives you just a boom. You can't really see the clear piece, and this is it from the back, like so. But yeah, it's definitely I don't know, it was kind of easy to put in. That was my first time putting it in. It did take me like 2 to 3 times to get it right because I was adjusting it. But I think I did good, and it does pretty, I wish you guys could feel like how much thicker my hair is now.
Okay guys, I have my seamless clip-ins in, and I did leave one out. You can put them all in, or however many that obviously you need for your hair. But you can see how it's seamless right here, so there's no weft, so it hides very nicely. So if you're not an expert, like, you know me, I'm not expert putting these in, not yet. So it's really great, so it can hide a lot easier. Of course, you have the clip on the back. This one is my color, my hair extension. These are 22s in my hair. And let me go ahead and give y'all a little spin. You can see it did add maybe like an inch or 2, maybe an inch. So on mine, especially with the length for the back, and it's a lot thicker, of course, too, for the volume.
Okay, so I have in the seamless clips, and as you can see, it has added great length and volume and thickness. The color blends in super well with my own hair. It kind of gives it a more natural look, in my opinion, with like a natural balayage. I wore all the pieces that the hair extension kit comes with. It comes with a 4-clip, 2 3-clips, 2 2-clips, and 2 single clips. They are all in my hair currently, so I am loaded down with the full, I want to say it's like 100 and I'm not sure what the grams are, but for the clip-ins, I did get the 16-inch versus the Halo. It was 14, so that one just added, you know, the volume, and the 16 is adding the length. Okay, guys, that is it for our video today for Hot Banana. Again, they carry the Mink faux lashes, they carry the halos, and they carry the clip-in extensions. If you are ready to change up or enhance your looks,
Volumize it, length it.
yes, be sure to check them out on Amazon. We will link everything down in the description below. And as always, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, you know, do all the things. And until next time.
Bye, guys.